So there's a pandemic. Lots of people are quarantined. Lots of people are staying indoors. FPV pilots, freestyle. We're coming to find some abandoned places to fly. Yow! So we're here at the Barley Mills abandoned executive buildings, offices, whatever you want to call it. We've got tons of places here to fly. It's completely isolated, it's desolate, it's abandoned. We got cool glass buildings. They're actually going to be tearing these down and going to be making some townhouses, I think, and also going to be making some shopping centers in here. While the pandemic's going on out there, we're going to be in here ripping it up. Guys, did you hear the news? There's a pandemic going on. Hey guys, there's a pandemic going on.
Sometimes I have to